Fights here. We here with
Dave, Mr. Cocoa Butter Pierre.
All right, Mr. Cocoa Butter Pierre. Tell us about that win.
I stayed calm, composed, like I trained, and it was over. I train with the best guys, you know. So I come in there, I'm calm. These guys are like, oh, why is he so calm? You need to get anxious, get a little move. I'm like, nah, it's good. If I feel like this, I'm at my best. So let's go. And you.
Got any shout outs?
Shout out Julio. Shout out Mateus. Shout out my man right here. Marcimio. Shout out Reach Combat, yeah. 305 Fight. Elio, you're the best promoter in the business.
Thank you, sir. And listen, he's undefeated in 305 Fights, going to represent the champion. I want to thank Maximo Reach Combat. This is his first agent. We're going to take these young guys, and we're going to take them all the way to the top, because Dade County is where a champion's going to rise for the UFC. What do you think of the fight?
We're going all the way to the UFC champion. Hey, Adesanya, I'm coming for you.